Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 BMW X1. The 2026 BMW X1 continues to set the bar high for compact luxury SUVs, blending dynamic performance, modern design, and advanced technology. Despite being the smallest member of BMW's SUV family, the X1 delivers an exhilarating driving experience and an impressive array of features. With its engaging driving dynamics, upscale interior, and a host of new features for 2026, the BMW X1 strikes an ideal balance between performance and practicality. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on twisty backroads, the X1 delivers a confident and enjoyable ride. For 2026, all X1 come standard with heated front seats and eSIM capability for their 5G connection. The xDrive 28i gets several other additions. Adaptive cruise control is now part of the premium package. The technology package gets augmented reality view. M compound brakes with gray calipers are newly available, and the panoramic moonroof is offered as a standalone option. The X1 sports a modern interior design that includes such features as a toggle switch shift lever, a floating center console, and an all-digital dash. Designer elements pepper the cabin, including textured metal speaker grills and available eucalyptus open-pore wood trim. All models come with dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, ambient interior lighting, and a power liftgate. A panoramic sunroof and a heated steering wheel are options. Entry-level xDrive 28i models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 241 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, as is a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Acceleration feels a bit less perky in the real world than the impressive acceleration test numbers would suggest, as there's turbo lag that's noticeable during highway passing or merging maneuvers. Even the xDrive 28i's suspension is tuned for athletic handling, which makes the X1 a fun drive for twisty roads. The M35i, meanwhile, is the higher performance version of the X1 and boasts a 312 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, adaptive dampers, and upgraded brakes. The price of the 2026 BMW X1 starts at $42,125 and goes up to $51,525 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.